Okay, and I'm back in here, and let me see. Right now, this is what I've done. I've taken every one of these little cups. Okay, you can see here, and I've actually um, put a little bit of solder at the end of each one of these little cables here. Um, and watch the polarity really good. I went around and I took care of each one. What I did to place them down is it's got the thread down here, it's got the thread there, and what I did is that I actually went in reverse, so to speak. I took this thing here, spin it about 9 times, 9 or 10 times in reverse, and then put it down and spin it forward, and once it reaches the bottom, nice and tight, okay, the cable itself is not going to spin anymore, so I can pull it from up here, and that will keep all those little things I just put in here. They're brand new now, and there shouldn't be any problems. I mean, everything's brand new. There's plenty of length on the cables for me to pull them up. So essentially what I'm going to do now is take all the whites, take all the whites and make them a bundle. And then don't forget that the white goes to the right here. This one here is the one left from the middle, which was already attached, but remember that one there I'm going to undo, which actually I'm just going to cut it real close to the end. Okay, this one here. Okay, this with the bundle that I made before. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it all the way at the top. Okay, so now I know that that white goes together with that one, but then one addition to it. Now I'm going to take this here. Okay, the yellow bundle, brand new cable. Okay, now keep in mind that this stuff needs to be fed through, which is the end of this thing. Okay, that needs to be fed through all the stuff that I had before. This thing here, the 3 pieces that I got here. Okay, this long one, and then all of these. And remember, they need to go off, and this thing, it needs to go through here too. So you may want to start from that point first. So this chain here, this is this portion here. So you have to be sure that you feed it through all the way. Now this cable has this at the end, which most likely I'm going to cut it anyway because it's going to go up in the ceiling, and I'm going to connect the end of the cable to it, so I only need a little bit of this cable. But you could also keep it there, and you could run chains with loops up in your ceiling, and run it down to a receptacle, and there you have it. You could just plug it in and off, in and out, and you could have it taken care of. So Anyways, I'm not gonna do that. So what I'm gonna have to do is feed that cable through this chain. Feed it through, in and out. You know, as many different things as you have. Just be sure that you go through every one of those loops, every one of those chain links, and you continue to the end until you make it to this one here. Okay, so then you just feed it through there, and you'll be ready to continue going. So you just kind of like, you probably heard it, but anyways, you're gonna have this at the end anyway. So what's next? If we go in that direction, this is going to be next. Okay, so this is, it's different. So I don't know which way. I guess I'm gonna put it like that. You could put it like that, but it looks like I'm gonna put it just like a drop. This going down. Okay, so that's gonna go through there, right, like that. Okay. Show you how it's gonna look. Now that's gonna go there. Okay. So that's gonna be there. As you can see right there on the cable coming down on the bottom. Okay, next piece is gonna be this little thing. Here's got the thread and it's hollow. Just feed it through there. And all the way down. It's just this little thing here. So just the threads at the end. Let's say about halfway. You know, it's gonna go halfway in, halfway out. Then now remember that, you know, we still have this thing that goes inside. Okay, so this is gonna go like that. Let's see a little piece. There's just one more little piece somewhere in here. I know I have it. Oh, I see it. It's just this little decorative thing that goes at the end. It goes between this. It goes like this, and it goes right on top. It's got threads on both sides. Okay, so it goes like so. And this is gonna thread into this from the inside. So let's do that. So if I take, oh, you see, I almost forgot. So anyways, this here, okay, I can put it through here. Put it in there. And I can thread these. Okay. Just want to be sure. Now on this one, it's really up to you whether you put, you know, it looks like it continues to go in. I'm going to put a little bit of my blue Loctite just to hold it in place. Okay, so leave it there for a moment. And I mean, we're gonna have to go in there and keep going. So I'm gonna take screwdriver and kind of like hold it in place. See if I can. Okay. And it looks like, yeah, right now it's like that. Okay, so now I could take my little piece and go like this. And then end up with the cable. End up with a cable like this. Okay, so I'll put it. Let's see if you guys can see it. Like this. Okay. So everything's good. So this is gonna be like that. Okay. So essentially everything is good to go. Let's see. And so I got that piece ready to go. All these things are tight. They're nice and tight. Okay. Everything's stripped here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do my wire strippers and take that and do that. Now what I'm gonna do is that all of these can be around. They're not gonna go through this loop at all, so I'm not gonna need that for now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them back and hold them together. The white ones. And then okay, make sure it's all the white ones. Gonna accommodate them. Anyways, I'm gonna stop the video for a moment and then I'll come back to you guys, okay? Thank you.